Fusion of methods. What is fusion of method? Fusion of method is the combination, is the mixture of more than one methods. There can be two methods, there can be three methods. So according to the fusion of methods, here we take a fusion of two or more than two methods in a single program. As I told you, it is pretty clear from its name, fusion of methods, the combination of one or more methods. Therefore, we take a fusion of two or more than two methods in a single program. Let's check the examples. Example number 31. X equals to 3, 1, 0, 2. X dot sort function and then X dot reverse function. When you take the print of X, you will get everything in reverse form. 3, 2, 1, 0. You will get this output. Look at here, we have used two methods, sort method and reverse method. So it is the fusion of sort method and reverse method. We have used sort function and reverse function. Look, the given list is X equals to 3, 1, 0, 2. When we use the sort function X dot sort, what sort function does, put all the elements in ascending order, in proper ascending order. Look at here, in the given list, the things or the items are not in the proper ascending order. We have 3 and then 1 and then 0 and then 2. Everything will be in a proper ascending order. But at the same time, in the third step, you have to take the reverse function, X dot reverse, X dot reverse. It will reverse everything in the opposite direction. Look, with the help of the sort function, we will have 0, 1, 2, 3. But when you take its reverse, you will get 3, 2, 1, 0 in the reverse form. So first, put all the elements in proper ascending order, 0, 1, 2, 3, and then the reverse function, take the reverse of all these elements to have 3, 2, 1, 0 in the final output. So it is a fusion of two methods, sort method, reverse method.